Okay, we're working on the exhaust brackets on this bike again. So we got to cut this off. Where's my clamp? See, my clamp fits tight. It might just make it be close. Well, the angle probably not enough, because by the time you bent it over, it's not going to be long enough. Under here. Too low. Alright, so your clamp's wider, so it's stronger, so we just have to cut it off. Fuck it. Here's your fancy beer can material. Okay. So the bolt fit in that hole?
Yeah. Going to this one.
We're going to this one, not this one?
Yeah.
Okay. This one. So this fit in there with the spacer and everything, or not?
Yep. I was using this one.
Okay. That's
Seems to fit in. Yeah. Seems to be about right.
Okay, so we gotta get this thing straightened up and onto there. So where is your
this is the bolt that needs to go in there.
What grade is that, a butter?
Yeah, it's weak.
Great crap. Perfect for an exhaust bolt crap. Okay, so if we put this in the vise, tighten it up, be pretty good. Okay, let's get this up in there. Grab that front clip down there. Just lay it in there, doesn't have to be close. Put up the pipe up there. What are you putting bolts in there for?
Not to lose it.
You don't lose it down there unless you're stupid.
Well, from time to time.
Okay, hold that right there. Get it where it belongs yet? Is that where it's going to sit?
For the most part.
Okay, take it off. Damn it. Need 3 hands here to work tools. Okay, we need your can material, we need your bolt, we need some pliers, wrenches. What do you got? Got any of that stuff? Pliers, need those. Probably need bigger ones than these, but we'll use these for now. Where's your bolt? You got your bolt?
Got the bolt.
Got a wrench?
Couple shims.
Got a hammer? You didn't bring any important tools.
Where is it? Here.
I don't know.
Put it back where it was.
We need this too. Alright. Camera gets on tripod. Okay, don't break the camera. That means you can't have any pictures of you in it. Okay, where's your tampon material? Bring some with you. Let's mark that. Marks over here. Okay. Okay, where's your bolt? Jeez, you're making everything hard. I don't see what the problem with that bolt in here was.
Just needed that vise.
Is that what it was? Oh, jeez, there's a dog going. Bark, bark, bark. Okay, so now we can shim that out. Look at that. Okay, got interrupted with a phone call for a while. Alright, so we got the bracket on here while I was gone. How many shims you put in there? All of them?
2, just 2.
2 shims in there. All the way around full circle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And he's got this all bolted up. We run a nut in here for a spacer. So I went ahead and marked it so I know where to cut it. So we're going to cut that off, make it look a little cleaner. Unless you want to have a little turn signal right here. It's up to you. Looks like shit, but
Yeah, I don't want anything there.
you don't want anything there? Okay, just making sure. Some people do, you know, put it in. goblin or something over there.
Right.
Okay, we're going to do something back in the bracket. I'll bring that up next. We went ahead and put a shorter brake line on here, so we got that cleaned up a little bit. Took off the long one. Well, this one is DOT approved line, that's why it sticks straight up so far. Okay, so what we're going to do on this is we're going to go ahead and cut this bracket off back here. And then I'm going to weld it back on this upright so this bracket will come up and catch it. And we're back in here. Get this pipe out of the way so I can see where I'm going to cut it. And we'll cut this off. And just like we did up here on the head pipe, we will cut and weld it where we want it to be. That's the easiest way of doing this kind of stuff. Okay, you're going to need some more 2 layers of wrap on this too. You realize that, don't you? So we got to make that up.
Yep.
So get that made up.
This can just stay.
It's going to have to come off anyway, but not right now. That's tight too. All right. Cold back
I
here.
tightened it all up just to see where it's going to be.
With a 1/2 inch of it.
So these shims.
All right, where's my grinder at?
Over on the bench.
I need my cutoff grinder. Laying back there next to the blaster, or the upstairs where I get to? It's stuck.
There we go. Alright. Should probably tighten this back down on the pipe, huh, to cut it? So it's not moving around as much?
That'll be different. Let's go back to the other pipe.
Okay.
Gotta change out our disc. I gotta go from a sander to a cutoff. Alright. Let's see. Somewhere's a lock in this damn thing. Ah, right over here. Yep. I only got this. It's not good for this one. Yeah. We'll be back. Okay, the problem was this grinder was the wrong grinder. That's the grinder down there I was looking for. See, this is a little baby 4.5 incher. That's the 6 incher down there, the good one. Okay, where's your clamp? Where do you want that?
Can't get it there, can we?
No, without growing it.
It's going to need to be on the, where it sits flat on the pipe.
But the one of mine back there will probably work, maybe. See how that goes on there?
Mm-hmm.
That needs to be about a 3/4 inch longer than this one on the tip. This one's an inch longer on the tip. So that should be enough to make it work, because it has to grow down to here. So we can make this one work without using any of this, or we can take this and cut up and use it. If you want to make this work, this will go right on down there.
Sounds like.
Pull that bolt off.
Yeah. Sounds like this would be less.
Less work, yes, it is. It would definitely be less work. Either way, we're going to cut this one off if we're not going to use it. Otherwise, we're going to cut it somewhere up in here, depending on what we need. See, that's a real clamp. See, it's tight. There you go. There you go. Yeah, so there's plenty of room to make it work over there. Just doesn't work this here. I need to get it on the other side of this bracket, which I can't do. And that pipe gets thick through there, doesn't it? Here, grab me a big screwdriver up there. This camera out of my way. Big screwdriver. Yeah, we can make that work on the back side. You can put that in there if you want. You have to get this bolt out, which is buried underneath here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's long enough. So
There's enough. Should be enough bolt there too.
yeah, we just have to get the bolt out
Yeah.
past this bracket. Put a hole in this one. And this thing's tight, so it doesn't need any shimming on this thing. It's made correctly.
Yeah.
It's probably made in Taiwan instead of America.
They're doing it right over there.
Yeah, Tatro didn't know how to make their clamp fit for good pipes. So.
Right.
So we can just bend this to fit. It'll come down and bend onto that. I can flip it around the other way. I don't know if the other way would be stronger than this way or not. Might be slightly stronger if we did it this direction.
Okay, that's.
A little more of a direct route.
Yep.
We'd have to bend the bracket to see what it's going to look like on the bike. So I'm going to take it and mark it right here. Need to be bent about 30 degrees, it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you got a hammer? There you go. You put that in your mouth and just bend it. Here, grab the camera, you're in charge of the camera. Bend this around something. That looks like something. Does that look like a something to you?
It's something.
Something. Perfect. We like somethings around here. Okay, if I do it this way, I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm going to do it this way. This gives a nice radius edge to work to. Hold that for me right there. We want to be a little bit above our mark, so you hold it there. I hold a little bit above the mark. Like that. So now you just bend it over a little bit. Have something to beat against it. More solid than this. Get a bigger hammer too. Light duty hammers aren't very strong. So see what the bend mark is now. side again. So it's still not where quite where you want it to be. See how so long I'm on the back side now?
Yeah.
So I need to bend it more on this side, less on that side. Alright, so that's a little bit wrong. So I'm going to go fix that and change it. Alright, bring the camera.